Good morning, everyone. I'm Charles Matthew Arcela. Uh, I would like to share some akong mga experiences kay Tatay Kagana. So si Tatay kilala ko as protective, thoughtful, and napadala niya ko sa mga customized na items such as souvenirs, ginalago kami, and hindi ko man malibatan being my storyteller during my childhood, and you are expressive sa kanila mama, and you always extend help in any kind. You are our mentor and historian, a mountaineer, and madamot kagit sa bigbitin na memories about God. And thank you for raising our parents closer to God. And to Nanay Rosa, salamat sa imong pagpalangga sa amon during na hospital ako sa gamay. Ara again, nagupod kay Mama. Salamat sa pagdulong sa mga sanggatas sa akon. Sometime nga visit ka, you will be cherished. I love you till we meet again.